Hey guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but I've been posting pictures on Snapchat of this hair that I got from myfirstwig.com. And every time I post, someone asks me about the hair or whatever. So I'm just going to give you guys some details on how I did it or whatever. So this wig is the Jaelah wig, and it has bangs in front, but I pushed it back because I bought it too small, so I had to put it behind my hair. The first 2 days I wore it with the bangs in front, but it just didn't work out. It hurt and all that. So right here I'm just showing you that I folded the lace back and sewed it up a bit. So when I push my hair back in the front, you won't see the brown lace. So that's what I'm showing you right now. Again, this wig does have bangs in the front. It has this drawstring thing that came in it. It's like a bra strap, which I thought was really cool. It was neat. I really like that about the wig. It comes in a regular like brown color, natural brown color. It's a little lighter than my hair, but it's not like nothing noticeable. But here I'm just showing you the bangs. It was really cute. Like, I'm so sad that I did not get pictures of me with the bangs. Like, you couldn't tell that it was too small. Like, I kept getting compliments on the wig, but it just hurt. So I had to find another way to do this. So I've been wearing it like a half wig kind of. So here I'm just moisturizing my hair and whatnot. And the front of my hair is like in a ponytail. So that's my little leave out in the front. I thought about cutting the piece off in the front, but I didn't. But anyway, I was just showing you the clips that were in the inside that I took off today. There were 3 clips in it. This voiceover gonna be kind of slow because I'm just going off based off of what I see. So yeah, I'm just sewing this on now. I put the needle and thread through the wig first, so it latches on there, because I don't like when I put the needle and thread through my hair first because the ball comes out of my braid. I don't know if that makes sense, but I weft it through. I brung it through. I don't know what you call it, but I brung it through the wig first. So now I'm just trying to make sure everything aligns how I want it. And you'll see throughout the video that I did not braid. I didn't sew the wig at the top of the braid. Like, I messed up there, but it's like so unnoticeable. And another thing, as you can see, is you're going to see my kids in and out, in and out. But yeah, so anyway, the reason why I took the clips out of it is because it did hurt, and I have to take it on and off every day. And I mean, it was easy to do, but it hurt. I don't know what it is about the clips that I do, well, the combs that I do not like. So yeah, that's what I end up doing, taking them out, and that's why I'm sewing it on now. But yeah, I'll just let you watch and see what I'm doing here. I'm just sewing it all around. Then I'm going to fix up the top of my hair, and yeah, so just watch and stay tuned. Hopefully this video is not that long.
Is on Cheyenne and Wasabi.
Cheyenne and Wasabi.
Wasabi.
Good job.
Subscribe. Don't forget. If people don't like this video, don't hit the like button. Just thumbs down. If you don't like it, if you like it, you do. And
we're gonna thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video.
Oh, okay.
Thumbs up the video.
Because you want to get a play button. Right, Mom?
I do want a play button.
Why you don't do this?
You know what? Just stop.
I've been slacking bad.
And at night she shouldn't do this because she at work every single day. Sometimes she don't, sometimes she do. Right, Mom?
Right.
What, Mom?
Okay. Shh.
That is my
Thank you. Okay, so I'm semi-done here. Okay, so you just saw me shaking my hair to make sure it's not coming off, anything's not loose or whatnot. Of course it hurt. Well, not hurt, but it was a little tight for like the first few hours or first day, something like that. I don't know. It started the next day by the time I'm recording this. But anyway, I'm just about to do my hair in the front, put it in a little ponytail. This is my favorite edge control. It's called Ebon or whatnot. And Adora, you see, she is pissed because she threw a book at Jordan, so now she is pissed the fuck off. I made her lay down. But I ended up getting up to make sure my ponytail is okay because I'm not doing this in the mirror, so I can't see how I sewed this. I can't see the ponytail, and I ended up turning off the light so I can see what I'm doing on top because I mean, it wasn't jacked up, but it wasn't exactly the way I wanted it. And by me taking the clips out, I have less volume, I'll be honest, but I do like it better without the clips, as so my hair won't be hurting, you know what I'm saying? And the the combs aren't pulling my hair. So and as you can see also, Jordan holds me accountable for everything that I do. Like, he does not play. Like, he holds me accountable, so no excuses.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm back. So, one thing that I forgot to mention, let me actually go get it. I didn't mention that it does shed. Well, I probably didn't mention that, I don't know what my voiceover is gonna say, but it does shed when it's wet. But it's not too much. It does get tangly, just like any curly hair would. And my kids in the background. But only thing that I messed up on is that I didn't sew it all the way to the top of the braid. So there's like space between my real hair and the braid. So, hi. So yeah, I had to like play with this a little bit to try to get that covered. But it pretty much looks the same as it did when I just clipped it in. So I'm about to go because obviously I have company.
Because we haven't seen
Jordan
movies.
and Adora. Look, you guys haven't seen
Story
Adora since she
4
was a
is
baby.
out.
Look at Adora.
Toy Story 4 is out
Say
today.
hi.
It's only at the movies. Right?
Hi. Hi.
All right, so we're about to go. Give us a thumbs up, right?
Yeah.
What?
Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe. Share. Comment. All right, we're about to go. Talk to you guys soon. Hopefully, I'll start making videos more often, like Jordan said I need to do. Bye.
At night.
At night.
When she get off of work.
When I get off of work.